Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to upgrade the RAM memory in this HP 2000 notebook from the current 2 gig of RAM to the maximum that this notebook is upgradable to of 8 gigs of RAM. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the power is disconnected from the laptop. We're going to flip it over. We're going to take the battery out. And the memory is actually located underneath this panel right here on this particular notebook, which has one screw right here to release, and you just pop up the panel at this point, take it off, and right under this flap is the current memory, and you push these two little legs on each side and it allows that memory chip to pop up, and you get a hold of it firmly and pull it out. We have this memory that we're going to put in. And it's recommended when you're upgrading to maximum that you fill all the slots. So I've ordered this 2 chips modules of 4 gig each to give me the maximum upgradable of 8 gig for this particular laptop. You can go to, on whatever brand of laptop you have, you can go to their support site online, look up your laptop and get the information if you need it. Or you can go to a website like crucial.com and you can actually scan your laptop from there and it will tell you what you need. The only problem with that is, in this case, I scanned it at crucial.com and it recommended a faster, more modern memory module than what is type was in it. And after doing a little research, I came to the conclusion that what Crucial was recommending probably wouldn't actually work, and so I just ordered what it had in it, which is a DDR3 module. It's a PC3 10600 module, which in 4 gigabyte sizes. So I'm popping them out. There's 2 of them in this package. I got them from newegg.com. Cost about 45 bucks. In order to put them in, you see it has a little slot right here in the gold-plated pins, and it's farther to one side than the other. You can see on your slots that you have that same setup, so there's only one way that it'll actually go in and slide into the slots. So you push it in, slide it in, and push it down, and it locks back under these 2 legs. The second slot is back here and goes in the same way. Push it in good and solid till you know it's seated, and then push it down and it locks. And there you have the new memory modules inserted. So now we're going to put it back together, snap this panel back on, screw the screw back in, And then we're going to reinsert the battery. Make sure everything's snapped in there good and tight and locked in. Then I'm going to flip it over. Apply the power cord back to it so that it's not running off battery. Open it up and turn it on to see if it in fact will boot up with the new memory chips inserted. If you haven't inserted them right, or if they're not the proper memory chips for this notebook, then you will get error codes when you start booting up. I'm not getting error codes, and it is booting up very well, and there won't be any problem. So there you have it. That's how you upgrade the memory in this HP2000 notebook. Now you all have a great day, and if you have any problems or any other questions, you can go to HP.com, go to their support site, and look up your particular notebook and get all the specs and all the information you need. Have a great day.